So I got this cat about I think 3 or 4 days ago, and he's pretty playful. And he even has his own litter box, and he's potty trained. And his food and water bowl is I don't know where his food and water bowl is, but anyways, my grandpa is mowing. If you can hear that, he's mowing, and I also mowed half the yard. If you want to see my garden, it's over here. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot of orange tomatoes with 7 dust on it, and there's a pretty big watermelon if you can see it. I don't know if you can, but anyways, my last video is probably uploaded pretty soon. It will probably be uploaded pretty soon. Possibly it could be uploaded right now. And my cat's biting me. Kitty, can you just stop it?